I promise you, by the end of this video, you will fall in love with this technique because it's better than your false lashes. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to apply your mascara in a certain way so your lashes look like they're lash extensions or you're wearing falsies, but in fact, they're your natural lashes. And I will also compare it to how we usually apply mascara so you can see the difference. So if you're ready, let's begin. The first step is to curl the lashes, and on my left side I'm just curling as usual. I'm using the Sally Hansen curler. I'm going to link all the products in the description box below. And for my right side, I'm going to warm up the lash curler before I use it. I'm just using a hairdryer to warm it up, but make sure to touch and feel. It shouldn't be too hot. It should be just comfortable, and then go ahead and curl your lashes. And you can see what a big difference it makes. It's just like your hair straightener or curler. You always warm it up before you use it on your hair to hold the straightened hair or the curled hair. If you don't warm up the instrument and you just try to curl your hair, it's not going to hold the curls in your hair. It's exactly like that for your lashes as well. And that'll also help to lengthen the lash hair upwards because it's standing vertical now. It's time for mascara application. On my left side, I'm just applying it as usual. I'm going to go all the way from the roots to the tips, wiggling the wand so all the hair is saturated. And for my right side, before I use the mascara, I'm going to be using a lash primer. The one that I'll be using is from Blink, and this is a black lash primer. Coating your lashes with a primer first helps to create a bold, fuller look before you apply mascara on top of it. It also serves to keep your lashes from clumping together, and it'll also help to lengthen your lashes, thicken your lashes, giving them a more voluminous look. You apply it just like you apply a mascara, coating your lashes from the roots to the tips. It's time to apply the mascara now, and I'm going to be using one of my drugstore favorites. This is the Voluminous Lash Paradise from L'Oreal. And while getting the mascara wand out, I'm going to slightly tilt it on one side so it removes the excess mascara on the wand. That way your lashes don't get clumped. And if you observe carefully, this is a waterproof mascara. There's something in the formula of waterproof mascaras that hold your lash curl for a longer time. So if you want the lash curl to last the entire day, I would recommend using a waterproof mascara. And I'm going to be applying the mascara just to the bottom part of the lashes, not to the top part. And I'll explain why in just a minute. This is how the lashes look. They look good, but I'll show you one hack that you can use to take this to the next level. When the mascara is no longer tacky and it's almost dry, use the curler one more time. And this time, don't warm up the curler, just use it as is. I'm using a lash comb to separate out the lashes, and here's how it looks. While opening the mouth of your curler, make sure to not pull off your lash hair by doing these two things. One, don't apply mascara to the top part of your lashes. That's when it kind of gets sticky and your hair curler can pull some hair. And second, make sure to open the mouth of the curler very gently. To cover up the skin that's shown underneath the lashes, I'm going to be using a black eye pencil. This is the Aqua Resist pencil from Makeup Forever. You can use any one that you have. It also makes it look like a lash band, so overall it looks like you're wearing a false lash, but you actually aren't. This next step is optional, but I always like to apply mascara to my lower lashes to balance out the upper lashes. And for lower lashes, I always use mascaras with a thinner wand because I have more control over smaller lashes. And the one that I'm using today is the Makeup Forever Excessive Lash Mascara. And of course, you can use the same mascara for your upper lashes as well. It also overall adds to the thickness of the lashes and your eyes look so much bigger and brighter. Let's look at the before one more time. And here is the after, and that's why this technique is a lot better than those false lashes. And if you've observed, these days I do a lot of tutorials without false lashes because I've adapted this technique. If you try this technique out, please don't forget to tag me. My socials are listed down below in the description box. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. I post several videos a week, including hacks and tutorials and all good stuff. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.